Is it done yet?
Oh, it's got lots of sugar.
Oh, put the icing sugar in it. Oh, it's too late, ain't it?
Yeah, just do it. How about this? Oh, yeah.
The two ladies.
I reckon just a little bit more.
It's no longer a midnight feast. It's a midnight baking session. Some vanilla essence. Smile. You're on Baker's camera. And she just burps in between it too. How lovely. Look at the head going for it. Oh, that just looks dirty.